In this video, we are going to see chapter 2 tutorial 2. Let's open a new file. In the model template, type the name as c02tut2 and change the folder to new folder. Say OK. Now we are going to draw the sketch. Invoke the sketch command. Select the XZ plane. Accept the default orientation. Now we are going to draw the outer profile using the profile tool. Select the profile tool. Start from the origin. Enter 200 as the length and 0 as the angle. Next, enter 90 as the length and 90 as the angle in the dynamic input box. Enter 40 as the length and minus 180 as the angle. Enter now 40 as the length and minus 90 as the angle. Now enter 120 as the length and 180 as the angle. Now move the cursor vertically up. Now you can able to see the dynamic input box is showing 40. Now type 40 and angle vertically. Now if you move leftwards, then the length is 40 and angle is 180. Click there and now take the cursor exactly length 90 and angle 270 is shown. Accept. Now we have completed the outer profile. Can move the dimensions and can reduce the size of the dimension to have clear picture. Now we are going to fillet the sharp corners. The bottom two corners are 15 mm radius and the top six corners radius 10. Select fillet tool and enter radius as 15 in the dynamic input box and select the first corner and second corner. Now in the radius dynamic input box enter 10. Select the remaining 6 corners. These are all radius 10. Now we are going to draw the circle. Circle diameter is 15. Now select the circle tool. Select the center of the arc and enter diameter 15. Similarly, other end. This completes the profile of the chapter 2 tutorial 2. Now finish the sketch. Save the sketch. File. Close. Selected parts. Select chapter 2 tutorial 1. Say OK.